when we started this six years ago,
Pero Rodriguez is City Councilor of Ormoc City.
Tapos Plaza, same place, same time yun lang yung Plaza.
Combera karon, Combera. 6 years na ang Combera guys nang ga-compete na sa mga lami na lechon sa Ormoc. Sa Ormoc.
So I hope not just
so kung gusto niyo mag-taste ng lami nga lechon, anhin na kamo diri karon sa plaza.
Experience ang first, second, third, nagsimulas 9, 10, tumoy. So we did this one time just related, really tasted everything. And also, Lucy and Thomas Richard later will be joining us later tonight. And definitely, we are proud of our lechoneros. I know all of them are winners already. Why? Because they're from Ormoc, and we are proud of our products. Ang nandiyan, pakalmay ng comment, di ba? So, hopefully, the audience, the judges, take the last lecture to serve for us. Di ba? Para we could taste everything and feel really the product of Ormoc. May hapon na tutarang.
Thank you so much. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That was Honorable Peter Perroc Rodriguez, our SP member, Committee Chairman on Tourism, Culture, and the Arts. This time, let's have another message from our 2024 Fiesta Executive Chairman. Let's welcome Mr. June P. Abinoha.
I would like to give my respect to our Honorable Mayor, Richard Lucy Torres Gomez. She'll be joining us a little later. Of course, Congressman Richard Gomez, our SP members of the 16 Sangguniang Panglungsod, all guests, judges, maayong gabi, kinatungkanan. I would like to make my message very simple. Since this is a celebration of Fiesta, I would like to put a very beautiful line that I realized this very morning about Lechon Combera. When we have Lechon or Fiesta, I think what comes to mind is this very beautiful line when someone said about this. The greatest gift we can give someone is our time. Because when we dedicate our time, we're giving a portion of our life and we'll never get back. The reason why we're here is it's a Fiesta celebration. And the Fiesta celebration, we join each and every one are present here. We are present here. Of course, with Fiesta, with the Lechon around, later on, maglipay with Pantalan. But I would like also to highlight that all these are possible because of the support of the Ormoc City government and the sponsors. We would like to honor each and every one here present, especially ang ating mga sponsors. The upcoming activities, we still have the ABBA concert on June 27. We have the Parade of Lights on June 28. And the community concert, the Okaraga concert on June 28. Mayong gabi nga na pintanan.
Mayong gabi Turn on pa lang
Thank you so much, Mr. June P. Abinoha. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd also like to acknowledge the